Palletizers really help with the safety of our employees. The pallets can be up to 90, 92 inches tall, and that's with employees lifting up to 50 pounds over their head. It could cause injuries, strains, and we've been able to reduce that activity in our employees in this facility.
It has been a huge success for us. They were turnkey, out of the box, minimal programming that we needed to do on our end, and super, super successful on creating consistencies throughout our plant.
For our palletizing robots, we use a Schneider packaging. We chose Schneider because they have an OptiStack system or software that they use to create the recipes of the layers, which is very user-friendly. Our staff likes the way it works. It takes a few minutes to make a change, a few hours to create a new recipe. So that's how we started.
As we've rolled out automation in our facility, it has been a real blessing to our employees to bring consistency in the lines. It's also bringing consistency to our cost, which has been really great, so we can flatten our cost year over year.
But when we actually brought the first robots in, we had a fear that our employees might take that as a negative. And since then, we've seen it actually as a positive, because that's not necessarily the job that they were looking to do anyway. We aren't replacing high-value jobs. We're bringing people from repetitive motion jobs and moving them to bagger operators, forklift operators, things that ultimately as an employee you'd rather be doing.